Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a video calls to a line user. So here I want to show you from the official website, so you can follow this instruction while you open your line. So open your line, then you can make a voice and video calls with your friends, and you can select one of your friends that you want to make a call, and here we go. Tap the friend you want to call. Second, tap voice call or video call icon, then tap start. To call a friend from a chat, use one of the method at the top right of the chat. So here you can find tap the phone icon, then voice call or video call. And second, tap your friend's profile photo, voice call or video call, then start. So if you're using 3G, 4G or 5G network, you may charge for the data used during a call, and recommended by used Wi-Fi connection. And also you can use video call effects on your device equipped with the Apple A9 or later Android processors. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.